This is 77 Kelley Road, Unit A. Even though we're just a couple days into November, we got snow last night. So, and then when you know it, Thursday, it's going to turn into the 60s. But neat spot. It's just a duplex, and they're both 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a garage and a full basement. Really neat. This is in Hermon, just off the main drag, Union Street. So it's a great location. You're literally 5 to 10 minutes straight into town to pretty much anything Bangor offers. Rare to have new construction that is bigger than 2 bedrooms in our market. So it's neat. Somebody could use it as a 3-bedroom. They could use it as 2 bedrooms plus an in-home office. The owner really tried to think about how these were designed, which is nice. And they didn't spare any details. It's things like shades in the door, storm doors, providing shades. It's got a big closet. The closet space in this unit is immense, and he added all the shelving. They just really put some detail into this. It is all a composite wood throughout. Even in the kitchen and the baths are a vinyl, so there's no carpet anywhere, and it's got lots of square footage, which is really nice. Big living room, easily take a sectional, big space here. The dining area he's got over here. Oops, wrong light switch. The unit has a half bath on the first level, so there's a bathroom on both floors. And then they've got a huge kitchen, and it is just beautifully designed. It's also got like a first floor bonus closet. Actually has all the internet connections in there. Extra space here. What's amazing is this would make a good pantry, except he already did a huge pantry on that side. They did do a breakfast bar that's kind of oversized. I think there's actually room for 4 stools if somebody wanted. There's even a little cabinet underneath. And kitchen, they did higher end stainless steel appliances, which are really nice. Gray cabinets, has a dishwasher, faucet in the sprayer on that, and then lots of cabinet space. But even better, it's got this sort of immense pantry with this sliding door. Closes it off. And the neat thing is that they made sure this would open correctly too. So even with this closed, it does open. And then they've got all the shelving for pantry. It's just beautiful. Give you another shot of the kitchen. The owner does pay the heat. The unit has this attached garage. I will say, a lot of times when units in our area have a garage, they just have parking for one room, one car, that's it. The neat thing here is they made it jut out, so you have room for trash or some storage if you wanted here. And it is deep enough that I think you could actually get a small pickup if you wanted as well, but you could get an SUV in it, not just a tiny car, which you sometimes see with a few units that do have it. And it does have an auto door opener as well. And then we'll go in the basement too, just to show it to you. They really did do a nice floor plan. Usually in our area, if a unit has a garage, there is no basement, but this does have a basement. It's unfinished, but it'd be great storage. They actually, each unit does have its own water heater. That's one of those expensive heat pump water heaters, so it does actually save a lot of money for the tenant in this case. He did wire some outlets down here, so if somebody's into, having a hobby or something, they could do it down here if they wanted to. In the summertime, our area does get very humid, so we do recommend if you put a lot of stuff in a basement for storage, you should run a dehumidifier. That heat pump will actually dehumidify some of the year, but it's still nice to have one if you fill the basement with stuff. And does have, even though they pay for the heat, it does have a thermostat. There's a thermostat upstairs as well. And then they did nice real oak stair treads. And then again, it's all laminate or composite flooring up here. On this side, it's a master bedroom. At least I think it could be a master bedroom. They're all good size. Does have a fan in it. Again, has a thermostat. Designed to do a king size bed on that wall, somebody wanted. The really neat thing is it does have its own ensuite bathroom. And then it's also got closet space galore. So this whole wall is closet space. And you notice they added the shelving. I've got shelves over there, shelves over here. And on this one, they've got the tall hang up for if you had long dresses or suits or something. And then more shelves over here. So it's just immense. It's beautiful. And then it's got the master here again. Waterproof tile. Walk-in shower that's nice sized. Has the sliding doors as well. And the kind of neat thing is that it's that oversized. In fact, this is the larger of the two types. Has a seat in it. So if somebody has accessibility issues, you step right in, it's very easy. And then much bigger master vanity than you typically see in a rental. Lots of space. And it's also got a linen closet built in. And of course it has a bath fan, light over there too. And then as we go down the hall, it's got, again, 2 bedrooms, laundry room, separate. Something you don't typically see. Washer dryer side by side, folding little cabinet there. And then it's got bedrooms 2 and 3, or bedroom 2 and an office, however somebody wants to use it. And these are both huge. Usually in our market you see a small second bedroom and a tiny third bedroom. But I think, there we go. This is big enough you could do a king size bed in this bedroom. And you don't typically see that. Again, nice that they did closets with built-ins here too, so it's got shelving and hanging spots. And then office, a third bedroom over on this side, and this one has a walk-in closet. It's crazy. This closet is just immense. I don't know, I think you'd have to I don't know what you do with this closet. Actually, it's big enough you could actually put a desk over there. It's got a couple outlets in here, which is unusual, but it's just got so much room. And then it's got the third bathroom. And the third bathroom on this side, again, that same tile tub. So it does have a tub, not just shower. And oversized vanity again. And tons of linen storage. So certainly one of the neater units that we have, because the owner actually bothered to think about what people would want. So if you would be interested, let us know. This unit is available right away. The other unit is already, excuse me, it's already spoken for. Won't be finished until spring either, but the other unit will be basically being worked on over the winter time by the owner. And so, if you would be interested, the owner does the heat, water, sewer, lawn, and snow here. Tenant has to take care of their own electricity and their own cable internet. And it is kind of one of a kind, because this kind of square footage, oftentimes, I think price point's also very good on this one. The owner's being very reasonable for such a large place. Visit us at rentbangor.com or 974-6606.